I've got some Ipsy add-ons. So if you want to see what I picked up from the drop shop, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have some drop shop items I want to share with you today. It's a little mix of this and a little mix of that. Some things I recall what I paid for it, some things I don't, but I will look. I did screenshot everything and I'll post them up wherever there seems to be the most room to post it up. The first thing by Alamar Cosmetics is a set of 3 eye brushes. So I did get these for perhaps a future giveaway. Next, by Laura Geller, I have this Italian marble lipstick. I just thought it was so neat. And this is in the berry vanilla. They had, I think, 3 different shades, 3 or 4 different shades. And I liked all of them, but I chose this one. So first of all, the lipstick itself has all this beautiful marbling, which is just gorgeous. And then there is how it comes out. So it's a nice light pink. And there's how it looks on. Next, by Larus, are these little face cleansing pads, and this is what we use at my house to wash our faces, so I'm always on the lookout for more of them. Whenever I see them in drop shop for a good price, I always grab them. I think I paid $3 for these. No more than $5. Price will be up there. By IGK, I have their Payday Instant Repair Shampoo and their Extra Love Volume and Thickening Conditioner. So you don't always have to get a matching set. You got to think about what the needs of your hair are. With conditioner, a volume one is great because it means it's not going to be too heavy. So it's not that this is going to necessarily give me great volume. That's going to be more in your styling products. But what it means is that it's not going to weigh your hair down. So I do like that in my conditioner, whereas in my shampoo, something that does some repair, that's what I'm looking for that. Now, I will tell you, when I get a shampoo, I leave it on my hair for at least 2 or 3 minutes to let it do its thing, and then I rinse it out. I don't know that you have to, but that's what I do because I figure if it's going to do some repair work, it's going to need to sit there for just a minute or two, at least to do that. Next, I got this 2-pack mainly because I was interested in the St. Lux product that was in the FabFitFun curation, and since I could get it in here with another item, I thought, well, why don't I try it from Ipsy? Then that's one less thing I got to worry about putting in there. So this is the Josie Marin Skin Dope 50% argan and 50% hemp seed oil. And this, I think, is for your face. You're going to put it over your face for a glowy, dewy look. And Josie Marin's a great brand, particularly when it comes to argan oils. I believe that they are cruelty free. Could be wrong. And I believe they might be vegan too. This can be used on body. I just smelled it, slathered it all over my face, but that's all right. I can't tell with the lighting if I look glowy or not, so let me know. And then this is the Pore Smoothing SPF 30 Sunscreen. It has Desert Rose, Hibiscus, and Jasmine. It's invisible and sheer. And I figured in the summertime, it's got an SPF of 30. It would be a great alternative to, because once I get a little bit of some summer color, it kind of adds some depth to my face. I don't need as much makeup on. So this might just be a nice way to kind of smooth out those pores. That being said, I don't want to open it until summertime or late spring. In the scent category, I did get the Commodity Paper Scent in Scent Space Personal. So this would be their lightest scent. does have a nice light fragrance to it. I do like that. From Define Me, I have one of their other scents. This is their Remy Clear Quartz Crystal Infused Perfume. So it has rose quartz crystals in there. That has a nice light scent to it. I do like that. I do like that. I'll definitely use that. Yeah. And then by one of my new favorite brands is Five Scents, and this is their scent Lit. This is clean and vegan fragrances. It's female founded, cruelty free. Purpose driven and eco-conscious. This has Sicilian blood orange, bergamot, hemp leaf, smoked wood, and sacred sage. So I don't know how it's going to smell. I do like something that has a fruit forward scent. So I'm hoping this has a fruit forward scent. They just released a new one, In Too Deep. Oh, that I really want to get my hands on, because that one has like a sugar scent. Oh, that's interesting. I mean, you definitely get that fruit scent first, but there's definitely that smoked wood scent in there. That's interesting. I'm going to have to get back to you on that. All right, and last I have 3 palettes. So the first one is by Beauty Creations. It is their Vintage Romance palette. I think this was like $5. All right, there are your colors. Lots of beautiful shimmers. Some nice mattes, enough neutrals that you could make that work regardless of what your skin tone is. And, you know, I grabbed these $5 ones, and I don't know if I'm going to use them in giveaways, give them away to family, give them to my daughter to give to friends. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this right now, but I'm going to put it aside. Now, by Beauty Bakery, and I do have this one. This is the Proof is in the Pudding. That's a great neutral palette. Again, I think I paid maybe $5 for this. So I thought, you know, there's a lot of people out there who prefer neutrals. So I thought this was a good one for it. And again, I do own it and I do like it. I will mix it up though with, I will use this with some more vibrant color palettes. And now last for $18. And I really didn't think I was getting all this. I got the Ace Beauté Paletteopoly. So I thought you were just going to get the palette, but you have the whole game. There's 24 color, it's a 24 color palette, 24 shade cards, notepad, 2 pencils, and instructions. So I'm just going to get into the palette in here, and I don't know if anybody else has this, if anybody else picked this up for $18. I don't know really how to play it, but it might be a fun collab. So if any of you out there snagged this or have this from some other, you know, past beauty box, let me know. If you want to get together and do a collab with this, we'll have fun. All right, so there is the palette. And if you saw my Chic Beauty box, and I said like one thing about Ace Beauté palettes is I feel like every one of them has the same colors. Although I did want to get this because I thought, I don't know, I was just drawn to it. All right, so here is what I'm talking about when I'm saying like they use a lot of the same shades palette to palette. So we've got like that purple in maybe just a slightly different shade. Yeah, they just kind of always seem to look very similar. And they are lovely, lovely palettes, I will tell you that. Performance-wise, they're not at all shy. You are really going to get like a lot of boom out of there. So they are great, great palettes. But again, when you get a colorful one, they almost always kind of repeat. And I have probably 5 or 6 different bright ones from this company, and they're all great. And then the last thing is the Glow Recipe Edit. So this was a little pricey. It was $79. However, I love Glow Recipe, and I was super excited for all of the products in here. So they do have a little card to tell you the price of everything or what the retail value is. It also did come with this adorable little bag. I mean, look at that. You can't fit the products in here though, they're too big. So the first product in here is their Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Face Mask. And this is a $40 value. It says it's like a vacuum for your pores. It uses gentle clays, fruit enzymes, and exfoliating acids like BHAs and PHAs to get rid of clogging dead skin cells, build up in excess oil. And I have used this before. It's a great mask. I think I actually have one open, so I'm not going to open this right now. I love their watermelon line. I'm using their body cream at home right now and love it. All right, next, I've never tried this. I've been wanting to try it. This is the Guava Vitamin C Brightening or Bright Eye Gel Cream. And this is a $38 value. It says, say, see you later to puffy eyes and dark circles with help from this eye cream powered by 10% encapsulated vitamin C, guava, niacinamide, green caffeine, and peptides. So yes, please. And right there, we're at $78 for just the 2 items. So I felt like because I love this brand that this would be a good buy for me. So here's how it looks. It's got a little ombre bottle. And yeah, I'm super excited to give that a try out. Has just a very light fruit scent. I'm just going to dab a little on there. Next is their Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. This is a $21 value. It's a supercharged overnight resurfacing mask that gently exfoliates, hydrates, and visibly brightens the appearance of your skin. I've not tried this particular one in the line. Or maybe I have. Actually, it does look familiar. Maybe I have. I think I really liked it. I can't name a product that I haven't liked from this company. I will tell you that. Next is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This is a $45 value. It has a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen to help deliver plump, radiant skin. I have used this. I love this serum. Absolutely love it. There is how it looks. And I do feel the difference in my face when I use this. Next is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream. This is a $40 value, and it's a whipped gel that will help balance out in no time with plum, hyaluronic acid, and polyglutamic acid for long-lasting hydration. This I don't think I've used. Okay, there we go. I don't know, now that I see the container, I think maybe I have, because the inside you can take out and just refill, so maybe I have. I think I've only had one of these. I've had like 3 or 4 of the serums, and that's why I know, like, I just love it. So that's definitely going to go into rotation very soon. And then the last thing is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is a $34 value. It has microfoaming bubbles that deeply cleanse without overdrying your skin. Now, I had once got this as a sample. And because it was a sample, I brought it with me on vacation. And I didn't use all of it. I still had a good amount left. And don't you know, because it was a good size sample, don't you know I left it at the Airbnb and was so upset and have never come across it in a sale before. So I was super excited to see this was in there. I loved it. It smelled like fresh blueberries. And I mean, I'm sold if it smells like fresh fruit, I gotta be honest. All right, so those are my drop shop finds. So what are your thoughts? Do you think that I overpaid for the Glow recipe? I think $79 was a heck of a deal for these items, particularly because a lot of them I know and love, and because they're all fruit-based, and I love fruit-based products. I don't know, I'm just a sucker for that. All right, well, what was your favorite item of my entire haul? There were some really fun things, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.